you start by dividing these numbers as if there was no decimal point, right? We get this. We can put 137, then it becomes 56. We can only add 137 again, right? This time, right, this will be close to 40, right? So then that will be 16 plus 3, so that's 19, right? And bringing the 8 down, and only add 5 37s to this, okay? It'll be 185. Subtracting this through, we end up getting just 8 plus 5, right? So that's going to be 13. Okay, so then we need a decimal point, and then if it's 13, we need to bring the 0 down. So we get 130, okay? We can now only put 3, so that'll be 111. Okay, so if we have that, then this will give me a remainder of, 19. Okay, and then it will keep going, but for now we'll leave this as it is, right? But when I estimate these two numbers, this will estimate up to 427. This will estimate up to 4, right? The estimate of this division is 427 divided by 4. Okay, so what we can do is put a 4 here, right? Here we need to put a 0, right? Then we can bring the 7 down. Okay, and here we can add, how much can we add? We can add 8, right? Oh, not 8, sorry, 6, right? That'll be 24. Okay, so then we'll get 30, and there'll be a decimal point here. So the number is 106 point something. So according to this, right, our estimate tells us that it has to be a 3-digit number, right? So the decimal place is correct here. Okay, so the correct quotient will be 115.3.